A strong magnitude 4.7 earthquake occurred in the Indian Ocean 151 kilometers, 94 miles from Indonesia in the afternoon of Monday, May 26, 2025 at 4:33 p.m. local time, GMT+7. The depth of the quake could not be determined, but is assumed to be shallow. The quake was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, BMKG after 6 minutes. The earthquake occurred 45 weeks after a magnitude 5.3 earthquake had hit on Thursday, July 18, 2024, at 10:01 p.m. GMT+7 local time. In 60 kilometers, 37 miles, distance to the east. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May God protect everyone. Amen.